In view of the extensive impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the electoral process in Nigeria, the Independent National Electoral Commission has designed a policy to guide the conduct of elections and the electoral activities of the Commission during the COVID-19 pandemic. The policy highlights the Commission's response in key components of the electoral process. They include planning elections, legal framework, electoral operations, pre-election, election day, and post-election day activities, and also ICT and voter registration, training, voter education and stakeholder engagement, political parties and election observation, securing the electoral process. In order to protect voters, election officials and other stakeholders in the electoral process, the Commission shall implement the following. Infrared thermometers will be supplied and used at the registration area collation centers, the local government area collation centers, and the state collation centers. The use of face mask is mandatory for everyone involved in the election process and must be worn at all election locations. The Commission shall provide face masks for all election officials. Alcohol-based hand sanitizers will be provided for election officials at the polling units. Mentholated spirit and cotton wool will be provided for the disinfection of the smart card readers after the fingerprints of each voter is read. The rules of physical distancing shall be enforced at all election activities, including stakeholder engagements, training, queuing at polling units. All protocols issued by the NCDC, Presidential Task Force on COVID-19, the state committees on COVID-19, and all the relevant health authorities shall be observed by election officials and all stakeholders. The Commission shall work with the PTF and the health authorities to have in place a system of voluntary COVID-19 testing for INEC staff before and after deploying for elections. As already announced by the Commission, the dates for the governorship elections in Edo and Ondo states shall remain 19th September 2020 and 10th October 2020 respectively. Dates for the four postponed